So this video is for problem 8-3. So we're looking at bad debts and how we write them off. So this is when people don't pay what they owe us. There are two different methods that we're going to look at during this chapter, one of those being direct write-off method. So it says use the direct write-off method to write the journal entries for the uncollectibles. Again, this just means bad debt. We couldn't collect it. So that money doesn't just go away. We have to make entries to adjust for customers who don't pay. So it says on April 30th, we had an accounts receivable balance of $15,000. During May, we earned $18,000 on account, collected $19,000, and wrote off $1,800. So we need to write the journal entry for May 31st. We wrote off $1,800. So wrote off, again, same thing. It means that we're not going to collect this money from the customer and we have to make an adjustment for that. So under the direct write-off method, we will debit bad debts expense. And we will credit accounts receivable because we don't think we're ever going to receive it. So there is no need for it to sit in that account. So something specific about this method is there is no estimate. We only write off when we encounter a bad debt. The other method that we'll look at will include an estimate. We won't wait till we have a bad debt, but we'll actually go ahead and book an estimate at the end of every month. So let's look and see what this has done to our accounts receivable account. So we started May with $15,000. We added $18,000 to that. We collected $19,000. And if we look at our entry, we also had a credit of $1,800 for the write-off, for the bad debt. So we have our beginning balance, what we earned on account, what we collected, and our bad debt that we wrote off. And then we can find the balance in there. We should expect it to be a debit balance because it's an asset. And it is. It's 12.2. So our debits, just as a refresher, were $33,000. Credits was 28. And the difference is 12.2. Just a refresher of how we find the balance in an account. So that's the end of the video for 8-3.